Hello and welcome to Namibia. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my wilderness property, Little Kulala. Wilderness is one of the world's leading conservation and hospitality companies. They do a lot of safari lodges, for example. This is their very exclusive 11 villa property at Sossusvlei Desert near the Atlantic coast. So, walking into your private outdoor living area, you have a daybed there, your own private pool, and endless views of the surrounding completely undeveloped terrain. Something about the daybed that's worth knowing is that they set it up each evening for a stargazing overnight alfresco experience, should you wish. So they roll the bed out into the deck there, set it up, and you can sleep outdoors if you'd like. And they additionally leave the bed within the bedroom or indoors available to you, so you can choose to go back in at any point if you get too cold or you're just not feeling it, whatever. So here is the rooftop. Nice little spot for sundown, should you wish. The sunsets are incredible here. I don't know if it's the complete absence of pollution, but the clarity of the colors is something I've rarely seen before. Sunrises are beautiful as well. We got up extremely early this morning to go into the desert and climb some of the dunes, which was exhausting, but very enjoyable. So walking into the bedroom proper, you have living area here, more seating, that great view again, very comfy bed. You'll sleep so well here. It's so silent, so peaceful. As I said, mini bar here, everything within it is complimentary. Soft drinks, beers, spirits. They are very gracious with hospitality as well. The food is fantastic. Staff are so lovely. Here we are in the bathroom, so toilet behind that door, shower over here, dual sinks there, and your outdoor shower here. There you go. So there you have it. That's a fairly quick tour of one of the bedrooms at Little Kulala near the Sossusvlei Desert. I'm butchering the pronunciation, I'm sure, in Western Namibia.